This video explains how to access the PostgreSQL database used at BPOS to analyze your supply chain data. Depending on your operating system, various methods exist. On Windows, you can access your data easily in Microsoft Excel using the Postgres ODBC driver. Unfortunately, this is not possible, at least not for free, with Excel for Mac. Database management tools such as JetBrains DataGrip or pgadmin, specialized for PostgreSQL, can display and, to some extent, analyze SQL data. pgadmin is an open-source tool, while DataGrip is a commercial product. However, JetBrains offers free student licenses. Such tools are available for Windows, macOS, and Linux. With Grafana, you can analyze your data and build powerful dashboards on the web independent of your current device. First, we show you how to install and utilize the ODBC driver for Excel. Then, we show the setup with DataGrip. And lastly, we explain how to add PostgreSQL as a Grafana data source. Please open dbc.postgresql.org and navigate to the Download section in the top menu. Select the newest version. The Mealock version is a new, more performant alternative not needed for our use case. Download the x64.msi file and execute it. This opens the installer. Follow the instructions and confirm the installation using administrator rights. After the installation, open an application called ODBC Data Sources. Make sure to open the 64-bit version, not the 32-bit app. On the right side, you can add a new data source. Select PostgreSQL Unicode x64 from the list. In the next step, you configure the connection. Modify the name if you want to. Then enter the details from the database information page in BVCOS for the database, server, and port. Make sure SSL is disabled. You can leave the username and password fields empty. We enter this information in Excel, so you can reuse the connection for multiple games. Save the connection and close the application. We can now load the data in Excel. In the Data tab, click on Get Data or similar, depending on the version of your Excel. Select Other Sources, and then from ODBC. A window opens where you can select the created connection. In the Advanced options, you can define a custom SQL query statement. On the next page, you need to enter your credentials. Make sure Database is selected on the left side. Then enter the username and password presented in BPOS. Now, you are connected to the database, can select a table, and load it into your Excel file. On the top, you can refresh to load the newest updates. Next, we look at DataGrip. Install the JetBrains toolbox to manage all your JetBrains applications. Now, open the toolbox from the Windows bar, or Mac or Linux menu bar, and install DataGrip. Open the application, skip the settings import, and create a new project. Add a new data source on the left side and select PostgreSQL. Give it an appropriate name and configure the host, port, username, and password based on the information given in BPOS. Change the database to BPOS as well. Finally, click on Download Missing Driver. Then, you can test your connection and save it. Now you can view the database's structure in the left pane. Lastly, we have a look at Grafana. After logging in at your Grafana instance or creating an account, click on Data Sources under the Connections menu item on the left side. Click Add New Data Source in the top right corner. Next, search for PostgreSQL and click on it. Give the data source a name and enter the details as usual. You must set the TLS/SSL mode to disabled. Under the PostgreSQL options, you can select the newest version. Click Save and Test to ensure everything is working. Now you can explore your data structure from the Explore page or start creating a dashboard on the Dashboards page.